dropping off.
I got
people.
this guy named like Uncle Matt's butthole, and he is in my pilot plane, and he always tries to get people in crashes. I don't want to get in a crash. He's gonna be my pilot today.
Oh my god.
And he controls so fast, and I can't control it. Hopefully I can land safely.
We'll throw him out of plane so he's dead. Because you're the real pilot.
I am the pilot.
Okay,
I gotta go to the
welcome
stop.
aboard Water Airlines. We're going up in the air. Oh my god, this is really strong wind. I gotta go really fast. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't believe we're actually surviving this though. It's really strong wind. Oh my god, I think I'm being destroyed.
Here, I'll save you.
Yeah.
Here we go.
No, I just sparked you a little. I put sparks on your airplane a little.
It's okay. I'll get to clean time after this.
Here I landed in Korea.
Let's
go.
Passengers.
Okay, passengers, that was really strong wind. You can get off. But I hope you enjoyed
Cleaning
Water Airlines.
Sorry, I have to clean.
Cleaning. Cleaning time again.
This always has to be so boring. I can't wait for Blue's turn. I want to see how he looks at the end. And I want to see how I look at it. Probably horrible because they always do horrible looks on my planes now.
I can't wait for my airplane to be clean.
And that.